Hello again everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in a village called Hunnington, which is in the Bromsgrove district. We're halfway between Bromsgrove and Halesowing, which is halfway between junction 3 and junction 4 of the M5 motorway. What we're looking at over there is the old Bluebird Toffee Factory. A lot of older viewers may remember the Bluebird Toffee. About a mile up that road is Romsley village, and I'm here for the bowls. We are at Romsley and Hunnington Sports Club. Just have a walk down the driveway. That's the cars. If you are enjoying looking at the old bowls greens that I'm documenting, I've got about 50 videos on at the moment. The majority of those are bowling greens of the Midlands, as well as other travels around the country and around the world. There's the social club itself. The bowls on. Got a few watching. It's not a very wide green, so you won't see many going left to right or across as we're looking, mainly up and down and corner to corner. Just over to this side, we've got the cricket club, the cricket pitch, the pavilion down there. Lovely to sit down. There's a nice bench over there to watch the cricket in the summer. Look at the swim from the weekend. It's Tuesday night at the moment. The late summer sun. Right then, everyone, I'm going to call this one a close. As always, if you are enjoying my content, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.